Hi, Kevin Rumlett with Rumlett Law Firm. If you like the information we're putting out in these videos, it'd be a huge help to us if you could click that subscribe button down there below. Maybe leave your comments and let us know what you think. And if you have any questions, you can do so there, or you can email us or call us. Today I want to talk a little bit about the situation in workers' compensation where an individual has private health insurance through their employer or otherwise, maybe through a spouse. And you've got the question, should I try to get workers' comp coverage to cover this injury, or should I use my private health insurance? Well, there's benefits and negatives either way. So if you use your private insurance, what does that do? Well, you get to go get treatment wherever you want without any questions from an insurance adjuster as to why you're doing that, or there's no issue with the defense in a workers, like there is in a workers' compensation situation, double guessing your doctor and sending you to another doctor for an independent opinion. You just get to get the treatment that you want. Not that you can't get that with workers' comp, but in the workers' comp scenario, you do have to get approval for every doctor you see. And generally that's where we have to come in and help. But in a private insurance setting, you don't. What are the negatives of using your private insurance? Well, first of all, you have out-of-pocket deductibles probably. There may be some out-of-pocket expenses that you have to pay for yourself. In a workers' comp situation, there really are no out-of-pocket expenses if it is a work-related injury and covered by the workers' comp insurance. So those are kind of some of the pluses and negatives. One other thing I want to mention, because some people just don't report the claim, or some people's employers don't report a work-related injury, and it never gets reported to workers' comp. The person may go treat with their private insurance and then later realize it's a workers' comp situation. Well, if they didn't get approval for those treatments, the workers' compensation insurance carrier has a right to deny reimbursement for those costs. So that is something that needs to be considered. Plus, if you will go ahead and file your workers' compensation claim, you can preserve any statutes of limitations, meaning there are situations where your right to seek workers' compensation can just end and you have no way of going back and claiming that again. So if you have questions about your statutes of limitations or questions related to these things, it's always best to go talk to an attorney and at least tell them your factual situation, because all factual situations in all different cases can change the outcome. You can't just give a one answer fits all in these situations. So if you have any questions, again, let us know. Glad to help, and hope you have a great day.